Welcome to DNA Auto House. We are a family-run dealership based in the West Midlands, specialising in luxury and performance vehicles, all meticulously hand-picked to ensure our customers are receiving the highest quality products out there on the market. Which today brings us to this stunning Volkswagen Touareg R, finished off in Lapiz Blue. This Touareg R comes with a highly desirable specification, including VW Digital Cockpit, Discover Premium Infotainment System, CarNet Security and Service eCall, Adaptive Cruise Control with Radar Sensor Control Distance Monitoring System, Lane Assist, Traffic Sign Recognition, Active Front Climate Seats, Automatic Dimming Interior Rear View Mirror, 4-Zone Climate Control and Memory Package. In addition, this comes with glass sliding panoramic sunroof, multi-function 360-degree surround view camera, IQ lights, LED premium matrix beam headlights with intelligent light modes, dynamic indicators and dynamic rear tail lights, air suspension, heated windscreen and washer jets. Full details and photos are over on our website. Cosmetically, this internally benefits from our design black leather seating and ambient lighting pack. Externally, this benefits from Lapiz Blue paint finish, black Radiator grille and black rear diffuser. This Touareg R comes with full service history, having only covered 20,100 miles, 3 owners from new, and in very good condition internally and externally. This is a stunning individual example with a high factory specification and desirable cosmetic upgrades. Full details and photos are over on our website. Any questions, please do not hesitate to ask. Contact details are below. Make sure to follow us over on our Instagram page at DNA_Auto House for the latest stock updates and services.